everyone, how's everyone doing? I hope everyone's doing great. We're here in downtown Kyoto again with my girlfriend, and we wanted to go eat somewhere. Today's Saturday, and I found this place over here which is kind of like a buffet, so we're gonna go check it out right now. I think it is a buffet, not kind of like. All right, this is the place. It's called Kamo. I don't really know too much about this place, but I saw it. I was looking for a salad buffet, so I found this place. I don't know how you get in. Oh, it's on the other. All right. Oh, you gotta pay for the here first. Yeah. You need money?
Do this one?
Yeah.
But I don't drink though.
You don't want to drink anything?
I can't drink with a mouthpiece.
Oh, really?
I just drink water. You drink this, okay?
Oh, okay.
That will have to buy.
Alright, so... Oh, you're gonna break this machine here.
It's too weak. Now.
Alright, so we got the sukiyaki, but they have wheat inside, and I don't know if you guys know I'm allergic to wheat, so I asked them. Hold on. Alright, so that's mine. This one doesn't have wheat. I also got some more salad as well, and I got some green pepper for the they're supposed to go for the noodles, but I'm gonna put it in my meat. Alright, so I'm surprised. I asked if they can give me the meat just with the water and no sauce and no wheat, and they actually brought it out with the water. And usually in Japan, if you ask for any kind of change, they won't do it because they don't want to compromise the taste of the food, and they don't want the food to taste bad. So wherever you go, and if there's some wheat in somewhere, they're not going to change it around, or even if other things like onions or something like that, little things like that. So I was really surprised and a little bit embarrassed because they had the guy come out and I had to talk to them, or my girlfriend had to talk to them. So you know, I didn't want to just come here and just eat the salad, so I'm really glad that he changed it for me. Alright, so I did also get the all-you-can-drink. So I got some oolong tea. They have orange juice and apple juice, and I think my meat's almost finished. Alright, let's check out this meat here. It's not bad. It's not bad at all, actually. It's really good. So there's some regular onions inside too, and then I put the green onions as well. It's really nice. It's really healthy. All the vegetables are from like local farms around this area. So the vegetables are fresh and organic, and I'm sure the meat quality is pretty good too. These bus have like these spray mist, cool, I don't know what you call these, but they got like these mists that come out like they do at the amusement parks. Alright, so we came into Daimaru shopping mall because my girlfriend had to use the toilet, but I thought the food was really good, even with just the water, and people were so nice there, and there weren't that many people inside of the restaurant. So, but we ended up spending like 2,000 each. But if we just got one less meat dish, it would have been only like 3,000. So we probably could have gone somewhere else, but it was pretty healthy, and it was pretty clean food. It was a lot of organic vegetables, so I think overall it was okay. So we're just gonna walk around here. It's really hot today, so yeah, we're gonna try to stay in as much as possible where it's air conditioned. But they have like this little exhibit here with these things. I don't know what these are called, but they're supposed to have a festival here where they walk down the streets with big whatever these are, big things like this. And I wanted to find one. They have one around these streets right now, so we're gonna look for it later, but it's really hot right now. But usually every summer during this time they have a huge parade with these types of I don't know what you call this, but they have this type of thing, and then they carry this around the whole streets of Kyoto, downtown Kyoto. So but this year it's been canceled, last year it's been canceled. So they're having like a little, like an art installation around here in the first floor. So they have like these torii gates built into the ground. They don't usually have these here, so I think it's for the Gion festival. But I'm trying to look for the big thing, big statue, big parade thing, but I can't find it. All right, guys.
Can I go see this?
Yeah, let's go inside. It's hot. Oh, there's so many people inside though. Just go look. All right, so it is just so hot. It's unbearable. I was gonna go to another mall from here and take you guys on a tour of that, but it's just so hot. It's so hot and humid today. I was out yesterday, but it wasn't as hot yesterday. So we're gonna try to go get my favorite milk tea. I got it last time and I just couldn't stop thinking about it, so we're on our way right now. But oh my goodness, I believe it's like 91 degrees and it's like 32 Celsius, but it's just so hot. The sun is like burning with desire. I'm trying to find that little, I'm trying to find that boat thing, but can't find it anywhere. I think it's a boat. Alright, so we found this place, the alley. This one's pretty reputable. We've been here a couple of times, and but I really like the other place though. They had a mango drink at the other place. We'll see what they have. Alright, so the inside, they have a really nice decor in here. Alright, so I just got this kiwi frozen drink, and then my girlfriend got this green tea mango. I like this paper straw. It's really sour. It's pretty good. I think you have to mix it with the
Cream?
the whipped cream, yeah.
Good.
It's not bad. Alright, I just cooled off with that cold drink, but it's starting to get hot again. Here's the famous Nishiki market. I don't know if we're gonna go through it. We might as well. We gotta go through it anyways. Or we can take the back streets. So we decided to go the route that we've never been to, but we just saw this place here. I think it's Italian. Looks pretty good. Alright, we've never been back here, so we might as well. This bakery. It's only one fancy bakery. It's called Rough. This weird looking apartment building. Is it a house? It is an apartment. It must be expensive to live there since it's like downtown, right in the city center. There's not much back here. I think that's why we've never walked back here. There's a few stores here like this one. Alright, there's a game bar here. There's a cool motorcycle, and then this weird looking building here. And then we're almost to the shopping area. Oh, they got the Olympics going on. That TV is $3,000, by the way. They're also selling. Oh, that is ping pong.
Yeah.
That is ping pong. Alright, it's starting to get a little busy on this side here. Whoa, look at this new building that they're building here. Probably a restaurant or shop. Slow craftsmanship. Alright, so here is more towards the shopping area. Look at this. What is this? Some sort of bar?
Yeah.
There's some more bars on this side. This Chinese restaurant was so busy last time. I think it's closed. This restaurant,
Tofu?
Yeah, this restaurant was so busy last time I was here. Chinese
I
food.
think it's break time.
Ah, yeah, right. And then this some sort of American restaurant. What is this?
China?
It's AMG. Oh,
BS.
it is an AMG. Maybe. Sounds like it. American and Mexican. Whoa. Let's look at this menu here. Oh, I think it's Italian. Italian.
Oh my God.
They got the mist spray. Hello. Oh, it looks like it's really active. So today is Saturday, and oh, they have Blue Seal. This is the Okinawa ice cream. I thought they only had this in Okinawa. Blue Seal. I think it's new. I didn't think that was here last time. It's supposed to be really.
Open.
Oh, because of the balloons?
Yeah, this is just
Just open.
Yeah.
Grand opening. Yeah, this ice cream is really good. It's like really like homemade. It has like a really homemade taste to it. I'm not sure if it's homemade or not, but it tastes really good. All right, where do we go? Where do we go? Oh, this is new too. Man, that's like 7 milk tea restaurants around this place. Just like 2 years ago, there was like no milk tea, but now there's like a crazy milk tea craze in Japan. People love milk tea in Japan right now. Kind of little. They're always late to everything. They're always late to the party. Let's go to the ABC Mart for a second. Let's go to ABC Mart. I want to get a Japan shirt, but I don't want to pay $25. I guess I can't get a USA shirt anywhere, huh? Where can I buy a USA shirt? Probably nowhere.
Japan.
That's true. Maybe online or something. I like the darker color.
Oh, no.
They probably don't even have my size. All right. Yeah, so a lot of people are wearing like traditional clothes because it is part of the festival. But I can't find the boat-looking thing. Here's another green tea, not green tea, bubble tea place. I think there literally is like 10 bubble tea places in this area now. I think that place was pretty new too. I think that place opened either this year or last year. So it's kind of the sun is just, I think it's the humidity today. It's just so hot and so humid, just scorching. It's pretty busy over here on this side too. Alright, we wanted to stop by this kiddie land. My girlfriend wanted to go inside and stop by, so we're gonna stop by for a second. I think they changed up the store a little bit. They got a lot of unique stuff, a lot of dolls and small little trinkets. They always got a large selection of Tomica cars, which is really nice. Alright, I did a full tour of this place, OPA, but I want to check out this book off before we end this video, so we're gonna go in here. It's a book off plus. Alright, it looks pretty busy. Here's all the magic cards. Got a lot of cards over here. Got some toys. I believe these are all secondhand toys. I think this book off is pretty big. It's a book off plus, so it should have a lot of things here. Got some toys over here as well, some Star Wars toys, some Transformer toys. Got some Tomica cars as well. They're all like 10 to 20 bucks. There's some more Gundam toys. So I think this side is toys and the other side is books, DVDs and all that stuff. There's some games here. Got some PlayStation 4s. They got a bunch of PlayStation 4s. They're all going for like, I don't know the price. Like 300 bucks. And they have some controllers. And they have some Switch, Nintendo Switch Lite. These are for like 150 bucks, which I don't think they're bad. I don't know what the original prices are. They got the original one for 300 bucks. Shish, 300 bucks. That's around that much. 300 bucks. They got 3 of them. Some DVDs on this side. Alright, so they also have some clothes. They got some like Hollister polos, Fila, and a bunch of clothes here. This Pepsi t-shirt, 10 bucks. Got some Red Sox t-shirt. They got a Iowa State t-shirt, and they're probably like 10 bucks. Michigan. And these t-shirts are probably like $1 in a thrift store back home. It's pretty crazy what the markup is. It's probably because you can't really get them. So all these shirts are $15. It's crazy. It's like a $15 markup. I used to go thrift store shopping when I was younger, and I remember the shirts, they were only like $1. That's what I'm gonna do when I go back. I'm gonna buy a bunch of thrift stores. I'm gonna go to a bunch of thrift stores and buy some cheap t-shirts, because I like the style of some, I guess, vintage or old shirts. I like the t-shirts that are related to my hometown. But look at this, Big Dogs. I remember Big Dogs when I was little. This was used to be like a cheap brand that I used to buy when I was a kid. It's $30. It's a 3XL. Alright, here's the electronics section. They got a MacBook Air for about 400 bucks, 2015, and they got a bunch of iPads and iPhones. Alright guys, so what I was looking for was a float. That was what I was thinking. So I couldn't find it today. I'm kind of sad. The float's supposed to be here until the 28th. So I know it's like floating around over here on the streets, but maybe they just took it down and put it back. Maybe. But yeah, I felt a little sluggish today after eating lunch. I usually don't eat and film, so and it was really hot. But I hope you enjoyed walking along with me and coming along with me to Kawaramachi, which I'm always here, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. I'm really trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. If you're a good person, please subscribe. If you want to get in contact, you can look in the description box, and we have Discord, Patreon, and we have all sorts of social media that you can contact me with. And yeah, and thank you for watching. See you later. Bye.